Hey guys, it's Clary, and today, this is Valheim, the lore explained. Part 1. The Ashlands and the Kingdom of the Emerald Flame. The Ashlands are a scorched volcanic region of Valheim, filled with fire, ash, and the undead. Despite its ruin, ancient structures reveal it was once home to a powerful civilization ruled by Fader, the King of the Emerald Flame. Under Fader's leadership, the land flourished. His fiery power brought warmth and life to the 10th world, and his people prospered under his protection. But the kingdom eventually fell, leaving behind only ruins and charred remains, now called the Waste of the Emerald Flame. To understand this downfall, it's necessary to look at Valheim's origins. Part 2. Valheim, the Prison Realm. Valheim was created by Odin as a prison for his greatest enemies. He severed it from Yggdrasil, letting it drift alone in the void, hidden from the other 9 realms. According to the runestones, 7 beings were cast into this world, too proud to serve Odin. These became known as the Forsaken: Eikthyr, the Elder, Bonemass, Moder, Yagluth, the Queen, and Fader. Over time, other beings, trolls, goblins, men, slipped into Valheim through cracks between worlds. Their civilizations rose and fell, leaving behind the abandoned villages, crypts, and ruins that scatter the realm today. Part 3. Rise of the Emerald Kingdom. Among these lost people, Fader's kingdom stood above all others. His rule was strong and prosperous, his flame both a weapon and a source of life. The people saw him as a protector, almost divine, but everything changed when scouts found a mysterious boy asleep in the deep north. They brought him to the king, naming him the Winter Child, believing him to be a sign of good fortune. Fader grew increasingly attached to the boy. They would sit together for hours, speaking in private. Soon, the king's wisdom faded into paranoia. His laws became cruel, his punishments severe. The kingdom descended into fear and division. Part 4. The Fall of the Emerald Flame. While Fader traveled south to meet the fueling Wizard King, his own Thanes rebelled. Convinced the Winter Child had corrupted their ruler, they burned the royal palace with the boy still inside. The runestones say his screams echoed for 9 days. When Fader returned and saw what had been done, his grief turned to rage. He unleashed his flame upon his own people, destroying his cities and burning the land to ash. The once great kingdom of the Emerald Flame fell into civil war and ruin. Those who died in the fires were cursed to rise again, becoming the tortured undead that now haunts the Ashlands. Part 5. The Bells and the Return of Fader. In the present day, the player finds a great circular ruin in the Ashlands containing 3 silent bell stands. Munin explains, "A sad memory lingers here. Once these bells rang for joy, but he could no longer bear their sound. If you wish to bring him, give them voice once more." To summon Fader, the player must collect 9 bell fragments hidden within charred fortresses, remnants of the civil war that destroyed his realm. When Fader is finally defeated, he shows remorse for the destruction he caused, saying, "I followed a false destiny, and it gave me nothing but ruin. Forgive me, my love." His final words likely refer to Moder, the great Drake Mother, possibly his queen or divine counterpart. Part 6. The Winter Child. The true identity of the Winter Child remains a mystery. He bewitched Fader, leading to the collapse of an entire kingdom, and his influence may extend beyond the Ashlands. The player's early dream in Valheim mirrors his story. A child sleeping in the snow, described as having waited for you for centuries. This connection implies the Winter Child is aware of, or linked to, the player's destiny. Many theories surround him. Some suggest he is Loki, the trickster of Norse myth, a shapeshifter who manipulates others toward chaos. Others believe he represents Odin, testing the courage and resolve of warriors trapped in Valheim. Whatever the truth, the Winter Child appears central to Valheim's larger story and may play a key role in the game's conclusion. And Part 7. Toward the End of Valheim. The Ashlands lore hints that Valheim's story is nearing its climax. The sight of Yggdrasil, stretching its branches back toward the 10th world, suggests the realms may soon reconnect, threatening the balance Odin once established. The Forsaken may not be true villains, but trials sent to prepare the players for a greater enemy. The final confrontation could lie in the deep north, where the Winter Child, or the power he represents, is waiting. He has been asleep for centuries, and when he wakes, Valheim's final chapter will begin. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!